I will compare the new BMW iX XDAP60 with Jeep Wagoner S. BMW iX XDAP60 has a 109 kW total battery capacity. Jeep Wagoner S has a 100 kW total battery capacity. BMW iX XDAP60 range of around 701 km. Jeep Wagoner S range of around 488 km. BMW iX XDAP60 model offer a maximum power output of 544 horsepower. Jeep Wagoner S model offer a maximum power output of 600 horsepower. BMW iX XDAP60 acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 4.6 seconds. Jeep Wagoner S acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 3.4 seconds. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S torque. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S top speed. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S drivetrain. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S motor type. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S wheelbase. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S seat. BMW iX XDAP60 versus Jeep Wagoner S body type.